Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to restore recently deleted files in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. Let's say you took a few photos, then we need to go to our gallery and deleted them by accident. How to restore them? If the action was recent, we can go to the settings, then in the storage option we have trash. When we open this option here, as you can see, we have recently removed photos, media and files, but we have 30 days for it, so we can choose which files to restore by using this option. Yes, restore to files, and now they are back in our gallery. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.